With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, the question is, A is a set having n elements, a subset P of A is chosen at random. The set A is reconstructed by replacing the elements of A. A subset Q of A is again chosen at random. Find the probability that P and Q have no common elements. So we are given a set A and we consider a subset P of A, and again we reconstruct that set A and we consider a set Q, subset Q of A. Okay, and then we choose the elements from subsets. And we need to find the probability that these subsets P and Q have no common elements. See, what it means that P and Q have no common elements? P intersection Q should be equal to 5. Right? So, this is the condition we need to follow to find the probability. Now, if you see, if I write see, how many elements A set has? N elements. So, number of subsets, when number of elements in the set equal to n, equal to how much? It is equal to 2 to the power n. So, number of subsets of each of P and Q will be equal to 2 to the power n. So, I can write here P and Q have how many subsets? Have 2 to the power n into 2 to the power n subsets. Why? Because P will also have 2 to the power n and Q will also have 2 to the power n subsets. That means 4 to the power n total subsets I have for P and Q if I take them together. Now in the question we need to satisfy this condition. So for P intersection Q should be equal to 5, each element of A. Okay, each element of the set initially considered A has 3 options. And what are those 3 options? See, if it goes to set P, then it should not be in Q. Otherwise, what will happen? Intersection will not be 5. Second case can be, it does not goes to P set, but it goes to Q set. Okay, so in this case also P intersection Q will be 5. And the third case which I can consider is, the element will not go to P and not go to Q. Again, P intersection Q will be 5. So, ways to do so will be equal to, see, how many options I have? 3 into 3. And how many? Up to how many times? N times. So, number of ways to do so equal to how many? 3 to the power n. Now, we need to find the probability. So, by the definition of probability, if I see, what are my favorable cases? P intersection Q equal to 5. That means 3 to the power n. And total were 4 to the power n. So, what is my probability coming here? 3 by 4 to the power n. So, finally, I can write here answer as that my probability comes to be 3 by 4 to the power n. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.